Hello, welcome to Excel tutorial channel. Today we will discuss about all the count functions. Either it is count A and count blank. Count function deals with the numerical value. If you have, it will count all the numerical data in your worksheet and will tell you the number of numbers present in your worksheet. Count A will tell you all the non-blank datas in the number of non-blank entries in your worksheet. On the contrary, count blank will tell you the number of entries which are blank. For example, we have these values written in the column A and column B with headers, data and data 2. We have different types of entries, numbers, name and random letters. So first let's work with count function. We will enter it by is equal to count, open bracket, select the value, just press Ctrl key and drag and select all the value, okay, and close the bracket and press enter. The answer is 9. This function told us there are 9 numerical values present in our worksheet. Let's count to cross check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. This is the count function. Now next we will do the same with count A. We will see how many entries which are not blank. As you can see in the description, counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. So we have entered the count A function. We have also selected the same range and we will press enter key and we will find out 17 which is not empty. In the same way, we will calculate count blank function. What does it do? Counts the number of empty cells in a specified range of cells. So we have specified it earlier, A2 to B14, and now we will click enter and these are the numbers. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please like, comment and share, and please subscribe to our channel to find more updated Excel tutorials. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much.